Ryan here, and I'm back. So today I'm gonna unbox and review the Dino Tracker's Dryptosaurus. It's a grassland type. It's one of the wild roars. See the Jurassic World logo, blue and beta. And if you go on the back, you'll see that we have two of these wild roars, the Kronosaurus and the Ocacharia, and you can also scan an app. So yeah, it's by Mattel 4 Plus, and let's just do it already. Let's start unboxing. There we go, the strips. It's not tight, so you just get to figure out, and you have to destroy the box with some force. I mean, not that much force, but I mean, it's also a plastic box. There it is, Dryptosaurus, and here's this tail. And we have to connect. Oh gosh! It roars! So yeah, the Dryptosaurus has, if you can look here, a little bit of blue. It's mainly a black color and a dark green color with a nice yellow eye. And lots of spikes and distinguished tail with lots of spikes. Or it could be feathers. It's gonna be spikes here. And the feet, I don't know, what? Okay, did not notice that. There are just some claws right on its feet. Okay, that is a little strange, but it's, I mean, they're kind of unique. The arms, so the articulation, the arms move up and down. You can also hinge them like this, hinge them up. Oh, the legs also move. So, yep, legs move. And the tail also moves. The scan code is right here. And the logo right over here. The logo, okay, can you see it? See logo and outlay of scan. While I'm showing you scan, the action feature is that if you go in left or right, it'll roar. Pretty distinguished roar. It bites off, so yeah, so the roars, I think there are like about 12 different kinds of roars. Yeah, there's like 12 different kinds of roars. And also, let me also get the instructions. I mean, really, yeah, so the instructions also, they're all in here, but I'm not going to take them out. So the Dryptosaurus, I mean, it's pretty cool. Out of all the wild roars, this has got to be one of the most detailed ones because, I mean, look at this. It's like way more detailed than like the Kronosaurus, which has some bowls, but the spines did not expect. And also the tail's curved. Tail is really curved, and of course the claws on its feet and the look at this, the bulbs here. So I'm gonna feel like they have 12 or 10 or 8. So yeah. The size is pretty much a medium size, and I have some facts about it. I don't know where it lived. I mean, it lived in the Cretaceous, but I don't know what like continent it lived. I'm gonna guess pretty much in Africa. I'm not sure, and it's related to the T-Rex, which I'm thinking it's T-Rex, unless it's something like Velociraptor or still like related to like Silverosaurs or maybe Allosaurs, but I feel like it's the T-Rex. I think the head like looks T-Rex like. not the spikes, but I mean the arms. There's 3 arms. Like some Tyrannosaurs may have 3 arms, like Sinotyrannus or others. But yeah, so like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and if there aren't any notifications to be exact. So yeah, we're on our road to 200 subscribers, and also I haven't checked the subscribers just yet. So it'll be interesting if you made it to 200 subscribers, or you haven't been 200 subscribers just yet. But I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.